Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. A very happy Tuesday out there to everybody watching. Today we're gonna put some makeup on. I'm using my Shop My Stash as I have been all month, but really I'm just gonna turn the camera on, sit down, chit chat, put some makeup on, get ready for the day. But anyways, let's go. If this is your first time here, I want to say hi, welcome to my channel. I'm always highly caffeinated. I like my coffee strong and over ice. Black. I don't put anything in it. But anyways, if you wouldn't mind it, smash the like button, share with your friends so that I can make more friends here on the internet, and don't forget to subscribe, and your bell, I think, is on the other side. I'm a silly kind of gal. I will have all of the makeup I use listed in the description box, but it's been the same. It's a one box stop. So, how is everybody doing? Is everybody ready for spring? We here in Michigan, I have kind of a lighter weight sweatshirt on tonight. It's quite chilly here. Like it was doing a mix of snow and hail yesterday. Today we're warm enough to not have snow, which feels fantastic. It is supposed to warm up to like the 60s, which we are all really excited about, and after it snowing we'll probably be outside like in t-shirt and shorts. I am so excited about this month's Shop My Stash. So much. I seriously was so scared, so nervous. If this is not your first get ready with me, you've heard me say that I was really, really nervous. But after doing it, I really do love everything that I picked. I think I did really, really well, but I also have quite a bit of thoughts. I'm not bored with my makeup per se, as like every day I still feel like I'm enjoying what I'm using, but because I have these drawers back here, like I went into it, and I had planned for this month to declutter and reorganize, but also like when I had planned that, Kyra and I, that is, didn't like set what we were gonna do for Shop My Stash, so I didn't plan to be decluttering while limiting what I get to use for the month every day, which has been hard to do, but I'm really excited to keep going with this kind of experiment to see if I did good, if I did lose all of my makeup, if this is really where I would start, what I've learned and whatnot. I'm excited to finish out the month, but I'm also, mainly because I keep saying things. I'm like today, after I do this, I'm gonna do drawer number 2 declutter, which is blushes, primers, or blushes, bronzers, and highlighters, and it's gonna be really hard. It's because I'm gonna see everything, and but I will stay strong. I will get through it. I just keep bouncing that up my face. Oh my goodness, because thinking about decluttering that drawer just makes me so nervous. It might be, no, I can't even say that. Like, I was gonna say that it might be my favorite drawer, but really all of my makeup is my favorite makeup. Does that make sense? Anyways, make sure that your notifications and everything is on so you don't miss out that fun video. Oh, it's gonna be a rough one. But it's also, is it my messiest? It might be my messiest, but I'm just gonna go in with a sponge. Screw it. I don't know. I have been decluttering elsewhere in my house. I think after my makeup, I'm gonna declutter my books. Oh, that's the other area where I love collecting books. I love having those great reads in case I need to grab a book really quick and I can't get to the library or whatnots. Anyways, random thoughts, right? Whew. I was initially thinking I was gonna fly through this with using it every day, and I was like, oh my gosh, I don't know what I'm gonna do if I end up using all of this, because technically I did a Shop My Stash, so I already had these items, so none of it was new. And I had this pencil for, a couple months now. And so I was like, oh my gosh, what if I go through it so fast and like I won't have it for the rest of my Shop My Stash experience? And I think I'll be okay. I think comfortable enough. I have a couple weeks, week and a half-ish, before I will film my follow-up. In case you missed it, I don't remember what video I had set it in, but I think instead of doing a favorites, because obviously I'm using the same stuff every day, and I think instead of favorites, I'm just going to do a how this experiment went, what I would change, would I change anything, just thoughts and opinions and stuff, because I think it has really done a lot of great things as far as how I feel about things. It's been hard but easier, I think, especially since doing the declutters while having a limited, this is what I get to use. So I really think about every item that I have right now, I guess, when I am going through these drawers. So I think that was really, really helpful. Challenging, but helpful. And also, my husband, I had a really rough weekend a couple weeks back anyways, and my husband is super sweet of him, did buy me some more Beauty Junkies, and so I have this box sitting over here, and I haven't even touched it yet. I am kind of waiting a little bit closer to where my experiment's done, because I know once I start swatching and touching, I'm gonna need into it, because I got the bright colors and everything like that. I tried. I got back on Instagram and then like popped off like almost immediately. Like I did not keep any kind of a schedule like I wanted to, or intended to, I guess. I still get on there. I still like socialize, but then I don't know. It's like I freeze up and then I don't know what to post. And I know, just post something, post a selfie, and then I'm just like, whatever. I'm spending too much time on this, and the kids need my attention, or my dog needs my attention, or just I need to move on. I don't know, but I will post some pictures, because I do want to take some really nice pictures of my Beauty Junkies. I really, really love my Beauty Junkies items. I missed that, I think, sneak peek as to the update as to this experiment. I definitely do miss what I have, because I have it, I think. Anyways, I am going in. Maybe I'll do like a favorites brush like soon too, because this brush is, I can't stop using. I need more of this brush. There's a couple of other brushes. Like, this is a really great brush. It's like teddy bear soft. Oh, actually, I want to go in with, I think I'm going to do pink nude today. Just to kind of set that eye primer and brighten up, like underneath the eyebrow bone, but I kind of have a pinky hue to it. I really, really like this. I kind of like, now I am tanning, like self-tanning, so, I mean, you could see, I tan my face, but then I'll do like a chemical peel, or like my glycolic, toner. Wow. That will pull some of the tanner off, but you in the beginning of the video, I know you've seen, but this palette actually has 3 shades. I can set my concealer or eye primer with, and when I'm not tanning, this shade is actually really, really pretty in the crease. A little bit lighter than what I am tanning right now. Does that make sense? Does that make sense? I don't know. I really like tanning. Okay, so I really want to go in. You know what? Have I done? I don't think I've even played with Medallion. I haven't. But anyways, I'm going to go in with, do I want to do something kind of, how dark brown is that? I think I want to do something kind of different. Okay, so I'm going to go into dark brown right here. Hopefully that's in. My fingers are awkward. I'm just an awkward kind of gal today, I guess. But anyways, flat kind of fluffy brush here, my teddy bear brush. And I'm just going to pat this. Do I want to do a halo? I kind of want to do a halo eye with this dark brown. I love this palette. Now, I didn't set my lid, so It will look a little funky for a minute. I also have been doing my lid colors before, like, the crease colors. I just noticed that. Like, this has been my thing. Anyway, there's nothing on the brush. I'm just going back in, and I'm going to connect that. No, maybe not. Okay, I'm going to go in with the angled kind of brush. Just dipping in there just a little bit, and I'm going to turn it sideways and get in there to connect it and start taking that up a little bit into like my natural crease, but slightly above. Okay, with a flat kind of detailed brush, I'm going to dip it down to Medallion here. My favorite. Wow. It's really hard for me to even say one shade in this palette that's my favorite because I really do like the whole palette. Oh, but this is just the prettiest gold champagne, and I'm just going to take that. It's really pigmented though, and I didn't want to push it that far out. But anyways, just very lightly tapping in there. I love this shade. Okay, taking that other teddy bear brush. I don't know what else to call it. It's a teddy bear brush. It's a flat shadow brush, or all over shader brush. But I love this brush. Just kind of take them back and forth till I get the blend that I want. I like that. Tap out underneath the eyes. I'm wearing a ponytail. I don't, like, my hair's kind of still, well, I mean, it still is quite short, but I don't know. My daughter told me to wear a ponytail today for my video. I'm going to take a smaller detailed brush now, and I'm going to dip into light gold. Or no, maybe I'm not. I'm going to dip into a blanc right here. I think we're going to go with a white inner matte. I meant to say, not white. This shade is so pretty. It really, really does brighten, and it just... Again, I don't think I could pick one shade in this palette that I do like over the other because I love the whole palette. But I will say, when I did my ranking Lorac video a couple weeks ago, that was really hard because I want back into all of those. Actually, I'm going to take the same brush, the teddy bear brush, and I'm going to take dark brown that we did on the outside, and I'm going to take that just dipping in like that, just on the tip, and then I'm going to take this underneath. Kind of get it right on the waterline, since I did not pull an eyeliner this month. I have not been missing it. Sneak peek. It's been a little bit more challenging because I have to work a little bit more with shadow and manipulate it a little bit, but you know, my get ready with me's have been going so much faster, and I kind of feel like part of me was like, oh, it's probably because, you know, I have a limited amount, but I'm using the same amount of products that I would have not with a Shop My Stash, and it pretty much, since I've rearranged everything, I rearranged, and then we did the Shop My Stash, and so I don't think it's to shop my stash. I think it's that I'm not sitting in front of everything. I can't reach things. I have what's in front of me. I mean, I know I could like pause it or like just cut it out and swing around behind me and grab something, but I'm not sitting in front of everything. And I do notice, like before this experiment too, if I needed to hurry, like if we didn't have time for Kelly to sit down in front of all of her makeup, I would take my makeup upstairs or take it to the bathroom and get ready elsewhere and not get ready in front of all of my things, because I would grab what I could, what I needed as far as like what I wanted to use for that day, and that was it. So I do know that used to also work for get ready with me to just get ready and not be kind of farting around. Because I will sit in front of like my blush drawer and just sit there and look and be like, you're pretty. So I think that's why this is getting a little bit easier to edit down because instead of 45 minutes, I only have like 30 minutes. I really love my get ready with me's. I mean, I know that's kind of semi-vain, but I love it just chatting. There's like, I don't do talking points for like these videos. I just sit down, I turn the camera on, whatever comes to mind, I just kind of chat about, I guess. I mean, once in a while there's semi-themes, but usually not. Usually I just sit down and we're just kind of sitting here, highly caffeinated, putting on makeup, and I'm pretending like y'all are talking right back to me. And I have been loving just going in between these two. I'm probably so zoomed in you didn't see that, but going between the two with this fan brush, I will say I'm really, really happy I pulled this too. And I do just kind of, oh my goodness. It's kind of crazy all over. Just to give it everything a glow. Not the, because the concealer, what do you call it? The foundation is a luminous, oh, slow it down, lady. Is a luminous foundation, so I don't need to have anything all over my face like that. But I mean, I do because I like to be glowy, and then I'm hoping spring is coming. Fingers crossed on that one. But anyways, I am going to spray my face with my Glow Mist, do my lips with the Ulta Beauty Duo, and then throw some mascara on and close out the video. Anyways, this is the finished look that I did create today. I'm loving this palette. It's a little sultry. I mean, I'm gonna clean. I'm gonna declutter over there. But I love this look. I keep looking at myself in the mirror. Anyways, super quick, easy, get ready with me. Again, I feel very beautiful. Oh, the cheeks. And see how I just like, I can see it. Like the light's hitting it just right and my whole cheeks just look glowing. Anyways, hope you guys had a lot of fun. Another quick get ready with me, but I love doing these, just sitting down and chatting like I had mentioned. Anyways, make sure that all of your notifications are set to how you would like it. And don't forget to come back tomorrow because we're decluttering and organizing drawer number 2. But anyways, wish me luck, and I hope to see you guys tomorrow. Bye!